And we also support designers, such as artists in residence. So we have one of our artists right here. This is Erin Kennedy.
Hi, Erin.
And she's working with us to create robots that actually clean beaches. So you hear about all the plastics and water. Yes. So she's going to be in the city of Ottawa this summer with her robots cleaning local beaches and also using some solar power technology. So it's all very clean, 3D printed and designed here. And so Erin's working with the local community to move that forward.
Much of this 3D printed here, is that it?
Yeah, so you can speak to that.
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of it I started using my 3D printer in my tiny apartment, but then when I had the opportunity to come here, I was able to start using even better tools.
Yeah.
So for example, one of these tiles takes about 90 minutes to print, which can add up to a lot. There's 200 pieces in this. This here at MadeMill took 24 minutes to waterjet cut.
Okay.
So you're going to see this technology in a few minutes, where we can manufacture steel, glass, wood, any product that you want. We can cut through it up to 6 inches thick. So that's a capability that hasn't existed in the marketplace in Ottawa before.
No kidding.
So we can very cost effectively.
Because 3D printers are starting to be a little more ubiquitous.
They are.
But this specific approach, waterjet cutting,
That's right. Yeah.
a nice addition. It's great to see them.
Yeah,
Do you
absolutely.
want to take it for a test run? And I can drive the robot.
It's never my fault when all is
So Erin's one of the artists that we've worked with here. We also have sculptors, and we have glass artists, and we have creators from all sorts of walks of life. But we also have a couple of, one of the companies that we worked with, so Crypto4A is here. We're going to talk to you a little bit about how they've used Bayview Yards, how they've used MadeMill, and also the global cybersecurity.